Hi, this is Shane with The Rational Trader. It is Thursday the 15th. Just a quick video tonight. Plus 60 in oil. I think it was just two trades. Let's take a quick look here. One was just before the news. Yeah, right here. So we did not catch that nice up move. We had news at 8 o'clock today. Normally that's on Wednesdays at 7:30. Got short here and then survived all of this thrashing. This was at 7:36, so normally that would be considered safe. I want to stop at 7:55, but it just goes sideways in this really tight range until 8 o'clock, and then it just falls apart. And I get taken out actually here, right there. All right, because the market falls and then it catches me on the trail. This triangle's in the wrong spot here. Just because the market's moving so fast, these bars are drawing in fractions of a second. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, so we get a long there, but no fill. Okay, that would have been a nice little pop. All right, so my order is placed right there, 2 ticks off the edge. And okay, so actually we need to go back to here, because, yeah, okay, that made 16 ticks, or $160. That looks to me like I should be getting long there, but I don't see a trade, so that's something to look into. I see that green arrow. Instead, I get short here, and it's one of those cases where the market is just a little too volatile for my stop, so I just get nicked there. There's not a whole lot here. In fact, I will get taken out on this little pop here because I have a pretty tight trail, 15 tick trail, so it would have scratched out basically. And I think that is it. We get another opportunity here, but we're not taking those codes, and then that's it. Yeah, because that's it for oil. So plus 60 on oil, and then gold 0. I recall I took a trade, but man, I might be thinking of yesterday. Let's see. Here's the open, and we're not getting a signal down here, which is what we want, and then we don't get a signal in through that thrust. So you would often expect to get a short there, bouncing off that value area high. Long here that you're not going to get filled on. A short here that we're not taking. So again, I really like this here, the way that we are looking there, right, at this low volume node down here. One of the changes we made today was we increased the we changed the sensitivity on the calculation of the low volume nodes, so we're getting more of them. The problem with that is that the machine is trained on a less sensitive number, so I gotta retrain these models this weekend. That's for gold and for euro. We changed it because we weren't seeing where was it? Actually, it was this case here exactly. We weren't seeing a low volume node form here because this is exactly the kind of pullback you want to get in on. Same thing back down here, but 11 o'clock, so I'm trading here. Again, this is exactly where I want to be looking. So this is a function of the pattern, the pattern matching to what the machine has seen in the past. And that's it. So it looks like no trades in gold. Okay. Okay, so then for members, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rebuild these models for the euro. Oh, did we do the euro? Oh, we didn't do the euro. Okay, let's do the euro real quick. The euro was plus 6 ticks. I need to maybe change that to, let's see. So we're only trading the London. All right, so let's go back to the London session. Okay, that's here. All right, so we get short here. All right, and that makes 15 ticks. I think I need to change this to show ticks, not points, because the number is really hard to work with as a human. That's, it's 0.00005 per tick, so that's 15 ticks. lose 7 ticks there. We're using 7 tick stops. Let's see. I really like this. Is again, I changed the sensitivity to get a low volume node down there. I want to be looking there. Let's see now, and then we take a long here that scratches, and then a short here that takes a loss. This is really ugly looking from a trading perspective. I'm not sure if this is just kind of normal for the euro. It's really sort of it's new to me now, or if it's related to the whole Brexit problem and the pound is whipping around and doing crazy things. We get a long here, so there's a long here that scratches, and then there's a long here that makes 11 ticks. Okay. A lot of trades actually, and then you can see it's because the market is just whipping back and cranking back and forth. It's not whipping because it's not moving fast, but it is making these sharp, jerky moves. One of the things we like about currencies is that they tend to get into a direction and then just kind of stay in that direction, whereas this is really ugly here. A short there that takes a loss, and so our and then we're done here because we stop at the index open, US open. So net 6 ticks, so probably just covering costs there. Okay, that is it for today. And then again, I'm going to rebuild the models for euro and gold using the higher sensitivity level for the low volume nodes, which means I rebuild the models. Then I have to redo the analysis with the replay program to identify the codes. And what I'm going to do for members is I'm just going to go ahead and publish the chart books and the models for these two markets, and just with the caveat that you should sim them. We can crowdsource working with them. And then I'm going to continue to live trade oil. If gold continues to look good through next week, then I'll start trading it live the following week. So I'll be trading gold and oil live. Okay, that is the plan. And actually, next week is Thanksgiving, so we might have to move that out a week. That's it. Yeah, take care.